The Rubik's Cube, a toy created by this guy who wanted to teach his students something. It consists of 6 sides, and each side is made up of 9 smaller squares. Each side has a different color and is basically a cube puzzle thingy. Here's me 15 seconds into trying to solve it. 10 seconds, and finally 15 seconds. Why won't you solve? Just from that intro, you can probably tell that I'm pretty bad at solving the Rubik's Cube. The first time I was introduced to the cube was when I was around 3 or 4. I was at my aunt and uncle's house, and my uncle showed me this weird colorful thingy, and he told me to mix it up and give it back to him. So...
What, so you began eating it?
No, I actually scrambled it. Jeez. I wasn't that dumb when I was 4. I did that when I was 8. Anyways, when I gave the Rubik's Cube back to my uncle, he put all the colors back together. I was amazed. So I scrambled it again and tried solving it myself. I thought, how hard could this be? If my uncle can do it, so can I. Of course, I failed at solving it. My uncle laughed, and that's when I decided to twist the corners of the cube. Not because I wanted to exact revenge or anything, but to make it more challenging. For those who don't know, a normal Rubik's Cube's corners aren't meant to be twisted, so I basically broke it without knowing it. After a few tries at solving it, my uncle gave up and put it on a bookshelf. To this day, I'm pretty sure it's still there unsolved. So, Uncle, if you're watching this, sorry.
You can't even solve a normal Rubik's Cube.
No, actually I can, thanks to Casey. One day I called Casey and she showed me how. Well, not exactly how, but she basically told me what to do.
Okay, so on the left side go up. No, and then on the right side go right.
Okay. After the call, I actually looked up some tutorials and learned. In 3 days, I could solve it in 2 minutes. So, ha! Anyways, the point is that...
Yes, great. Another sappy moral.
Yes, now, if you do not mind, I shall continue. The point is that if you put your mind to anything, you can achieve anything. Also, if you want to learn how to solve them for yourself, the links to the video I watched is in the description below. Okay, bye!